Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 11th, and this is the Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. Just a little quick overview here. This is the rainfall we've had in the past 24 hours, and you can see that it's not quite terribly significant. We've had a high amount of roughly 1.5 inches in the far southwest, and then lesser amounts as you go eastward. So that's going to be a little bit important as we go moving forward, because today we have a flash flood watch that begins at noon and goes through 8 a.m. Friday. You can see that that covers a pretty expansive area of central North Carolina, excluding the far northwest and far southeast. And that is in effect because we are expecting rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches in some of those locations. We are expecting showers, thunderstorms. Obviously, showers are continuing this morning, and those are going to shift eastward. And another line of showers and storms is expected to develop this afternoon in that axis of highest rainfall totals there, roughly, Raleigh to Fayetteville and around, west and east of that line. So be on the lookout for heavy rainfall. And currently, the only river we have in flood is the Roanoke River, and that is due to releases that were coming from the Roanoke Rapids Dam. They have tapered those off, and so we are expecting that river to go down as far as the height of the flows. And that'll happen here probably shortly. We'll probably start to see some of that today and tonight, and those will continue to fall barring any significant rainfall upstream of the dam. Looking at the upcoming weather pattern, you can see again that axis of heavy rainfall expected over central North Carolina today, with the cold front to the west, and that front is going to push slowly eastward through tomorrow and then kind of become stationary over the coast of North and South Carolina, possibly even just offshore through the weekend and even into early next week. A little bit closer look at the rainfall totals expected from the Weather Prediction Center. You see today obviously is the highest amount across central North Carolina. We are expecting anywhere from 1/4 inch in the lower totals to upwards of, again, 2 to 3 inches in some of the more isolated, heavier rainfall spots. And that axis, again, is going to shift eastward for tomorrow and even farther eastward on Saturday. And once we get into the weekend and early next week, we'll see kind of the general summertime diurnal showers and thunderstorms type pattern. And so you can see there they've got rainfall totals through the 7 days of anywhere from 2 to 4 inches possibly. That's going to be over the course of several days, and most likely where you have a heavier shower and storm. So not everybody is going to see that much, but just where you get the heavier showers and thunderstorms. Looking at the SPC severe weather outlook, we are in a marginal risk today, so be on the lookout for some severe thunderstorm warnings should they occur. Main threat there is going to be damaging winds. Even greater threat is, again, the heavy rainfall and the flooding potential there. So although we are in a marginal risk, again, the greatest threat with these storms is going to be the heavy rain. And beyond that, we're just in general thunder for Friday and Saturday, and likely that'll continue through the weekend. Quick glance at the beyond the extended, you can see we're basically in neutral or equal chances for temperature, maybe a tad above normal, and precipitation, again, near neutral, could go either way there. So to summarize, you can see in the graphic below, we've got a flash flood watch that's in effect from noon today through 8 a.m. on Friday. A chance of showers and thunderstorms pretty much every day through the week. It's not going to be continuous, and not everywhere is going to see showers and thunderstorms every day, but that typical summertime, you know, if you're a winter, you'll get some rain. If you're not, your yard's going to be dry. The flash flood watch, again, is for most of central North Carolina, although there are some northwest, southeast, far areas that are not in that. And with that, if anybody has any questions, I will pause here and let you ask them. Just pop them in the question box, please.